you have been involved with the Indian higher education system for quite some time. You have seen it from very close quarters. You have studied in some of the finest institutions. You have led a lot of finest institutions today. In your opinion, what is your take on the higher education system in the country today? How is it doing? And what has changed in the last about 10 years?
Thank you. Shantanu, if you see Indian higher education, it is going in a very right track. If you see present, we are more focused on skill-based learning. See, in education, I am seeing it in the two parts. One is the knowledge. When you are adding something, like in a science or engineering, so a new chapter of science, a new thing in engineering you are adding, the knowledge. Second is skill. So what you are taking after getting this whole knowledge or degree, what you are taking back to society. So it is based on skill. So higher education right now, if you see, is covering both in very nice way. Lot of practice based, experiment based learning, skill based learning. So while taking a degree, if I take example, because I have quite a long experience, more than 20 years teaching our JEE BTech students.
Correct.
And what I observed that from very first year, they are keen to take some lab, some exploratory projects.
You're talking about the students?
Students.
Achha.
And then we introduce in very first year, second semester, or maximum in third semester, some exploratory lab,
Achha.
some experiments, some practice-based learning.
Oh, even first and second year students?
Even the first year, second year students. And nowadays, if you see, most of the first year students in summer, they don't want to go home. They are going to some industry. Take example of IIT Bhilai.
Even first year, second year students?
Yes, in a first year, second year students.
Achha.
Just last year, I am giving you example of our IIT Bhilai. Mechanical engineer, first year students came in summer. Sir, this Bhilai is known for its steel industries. We don't want to go home in summer, but I will go if then they said that we will go for a short time period.
Okay.
Can you connect me some of the steel industries? So we discussed with Bhilai steel plant, and they absorbed our quite good number of students and a big team of first year students in summer.
Spending time in the factory.
Spending time in factory.
Amazing.
So yes, it's a little bit, one has to be careful when they are exposed with the industry. They are not much having experience of such industry, big industry, but they took very nicely and they appreciated, oh, your first year students, they are gem, they are doing very good. We would like to take them second year.
The good part what I'm seeing here is that what you're saying is the students are now more curious.
Yes.
They believe there's a value in this on the job learning and this internship. They believe that.
See, many times, why I am saying, I will add one more example. Many times you will find that in classroom strength is less.
Okay.
But same time, in some of the teachers, when taking class, you will find very good strength, good number of students attending classes of some teachers. So if you find a difference, so students are nowadays not very much interested in a plain lecture, PPT based, just you give. They are thinking that this I will download, this I will get in any way. Teacher is going to give me. But if you add something there where they get chance to do something, or you give some homework that you perform this, or you in a lab you go and perform this and let me know tomorrow or after 1 week, what did you find?
Research based
learning, practice based learning,
amazing,
lab based learning, experiments based learning.
This is a humongous change.
Yes.
I mean, what you're saying, sir, there's a mindset change in people first.
Yes.
And there are a lot of experiments happening today, maybe at a small scale, but they are happening.
Yes.
And you think this is a harbinger to a big change which can happen in the future. But my question to you, sir, is that do you think this is only an IIT phenomenon, or you see this happening largely in colleges, universities,
large colleges, because we are conducting hackathons.
Okay.
And if you see in those hackathons, we are receiving students, very good number of students coming from tier 2 engineering colleges.
Okay.
And private engineering colleges, other institutions.
They're all participating.
Universities, they are participating. So in hackathon, they are participating, and hackathon means we are asking solution.
Okay.
So it is not always the computer or AI based hackathon.
Correct.
Many times we are giving them how to solve the problem of pollution,
Correct.
how to get the water body rejuvenation. So all these type of hackathons, they are bringing some working model. So it means they are keen in experiment. They are working at same time while taking education in class, in taking the class teaching. Same time they would like to go for experiments and practicals. So why
Amazing.
they are interested to join industry. So another point that I want to add here, what your question is, that academia and industry interaction is coming in a big way.
Okay.
If you say, I will not restrict myself to IITs, other engineering colleges and university. If you say nowadays, industries are opening COE,
Okay.
Center of Excellence.
Okay.
So many places you will find, even in the tier 2 colleges, you will find there is a COE for robotics, COE for 3D printing. So these areas are the quite fascinating areas for students, and industry is coming forward to open such COEs.
Oh, so there's a participation and
Yes.
interest from industry also.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, uh, most of the stuff that you told me just now looks like that the students' mindset are changing. They are becoming more curious. They are interested in practice-based learning. They believe that the theory part I can learn from the internet. Don't worry on that. Tell me, how do I practically apply? That is the student mindset.
Yes.
But tell me, sir, what do you think? How? But the way we have studied all this while, we understand that our institute is as good as its teachers. जिसके टीचर्स अच्छे वो इंस्टीट्यूट अच्छा,
Institute अच्छा.
जो टीचर्स अच्छे नहीं वो इंस्टीट्यूट
No doubt.
Do you think that the mindset of teachers are also changing?
Yes, and they have to change because time is changing fast. This era is different era.
But how are the teachers changing? I mean, are they investing in themselves in
Oh,
research,
yes. Oh,
in
yes.
industry?
Oh, yes. See, investment of the teachers, they are investing in lot, and government also promoting a lot to go for the research, higher education for teachers also. So it is not a new story. But what the new is happening, collaboration with international organization.
Okay.
There are large number of faculty members. They are getting now good funding from government funding agencies, other agencies, and they are going abroad. They are interacting with them,
They bring
and
that knowledge.
they are bringing that knowledge. Like I can give example. Very good program, Spark. SCRB introduced Spark. I think in 2018 or 19 it started, Spark. I was there in that program. So this is very interesting program. You collaborate top 200 ranking organization anywhere in world, and faculty member you invite for at least 1 month,
Okay.
and that faculty will take few classes of your student. So what we means, the idea behind this, a faculty top institution, top 200 QS ranking will come, stay 1 month and deliver 1 month the lectures to your UG, PG and PhD students.
Okay.
Interact with your PhD students. And then in that program, there was provision that your two students, PhD students, can visit for 6 months to that professor.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the exchange of knowledge. This is the how the faculty member as well as his two PhD students are getting
developed. But tell me, sir, today, as you said, that practical experience is becoming important. I read somewhere, sir, that in countries like Finland and countries like Netherlands, they have made it compulsory for even teachers to spend a month or two every year with the industry like an intern, understanding what the industry is doing new, and they learn that and they bring it back to the classrooms. Is something like this valuable?
I think it is very good idea. It's a very good, and in India it should also work. It is win-win situation. Not only a faculty member will gain the knowledge from the industry practical, but the same time industry will also
gain
what is new going on.
Very
because if India, if you see, industries are not up to date in many places. I'm not talking about the this level industries. Here you see in Bhilai,
Absolutely.
we have a lot of steel industry,
Correct.
steel based, and there is I think more than 1,000 small scale industries, but they don't know the modern technology what we are having now.
Absolutely.
So when a faculty member is associated with industry, maybe very small one, he will tell that, hey, see, this is the recent, this is the latest trend.
This is the research will go there to the industry.
Very
Yes.
interesting example I can tell you. Chhattisgarh, the metal work, a lot small scale. And some of the small industries, they are making metal with some statue or some articles based on bronze or the brass or the metal, iron metal. When they interacted with IIT and they came to know that there is something metal 3D printing,
Huh?
then they said, is it possible, sir, these statues or whatever we are doing, can we make it through metal 3D printing? Yes, we said, yes, you can. And here is a nearby, Kondagaon is the area which is famous for the bronze metal.
Okay.
Kondagaon, famous. And we signed MOU with district bronze, for this bronze metal 3D printing. So this is what a new technology
In a smaller village.
interaction, a smaller village, Kondagaon district, that we have signed them, and there the workers, those who are working in
Amazing.
small industries, small cottage industries, they are working. Now they would like to know how the metal
3D printing
okay, maybe for the metal 3D printing is quite expensive. We may not able to provide, but the same way they can think for the polymer 3D printings, which is very cost effective. Ceramic 3D printing, very, very cost effective. So this I am just giving one example that when faculty is going and interacting with industry, industry is also getting something.
Absolutely.
What new?
It's a win-win.
Because faculty members are up to date with the recent knowledge. They are very well connected to whole world. Today, word is nothing. Just you open and see in your computer the what research is going on. India also introduced one subscription, one nation program. One nation, one subscription means all institution will get all the top journal subscription. So earlier it was not, but today even a remote college and university, they can also assess all those journals what the IIT Bhilai or IITs are assessing. So knowledge is available. It is easy. Any students can go in library and sit and get everything. But practical, certainly you are right. It's we have to come out from laboratory.
What you're saying is that, and I completely agree with you, that in today's world, just knowing something is not valuable anymore. But learning to apply that knowledge, merging that with practical skill sets, practicality. I think that's where the entire secret sauce lies. I mean, I can't agree more with you. Sir, now changing track. I was just wondering that we have, if you look at our education system and divide in three parts: the school education system, the higher education formal system, and the skill network system that the country has set up. A lot of people had told me that, Shantanu, if we have to practically change the learning outcome for this entire cohort, we'll have to fundamentally change and look at what the schools are doing. Because you can't repair in 3 years what the student has not learned in the last 12 years. What is your opinion on that one?
See, if school education is not good, then believe me, it is very difficult to think that higher education will be good. The basic is the school education. When a student is coming in nursery or one is the most crucial. So most of the time here in Chhattisgarh, I am getting opportunity to interact, to go to a school, and I am not missing this chance. Whenever I am going and interacting with the students, inviting students. Large number of the students are visiting IIT. So more than 400, 500 students per month we are getting here. So school education is very important. If you see some of the developed nation, they are doing very good. So two things, what they are, where the different. One, you said that practice-based learning, more industry academia interaction. And second thing, they have very good school education. So we have to work on school education, improve school education. And here I would like to add, maybe you are interested to know about NEP, how it is changing the face of education. NEP 2020 education, this national education policy came. So in NEP 2020, if you see, there is a lot of focus on school education.
Yes.
changing curriculum, making new syllabus,
Correct.
in very nice syllabus.
That we are talking about putting skill education inside school.
School education in a school. Jadui Pitara is a very interesting program, Jadui Pitara at the school level. And not only this, many IITs and other institutions, they are taking interest to interact with school. Like our Honorable Prime Minister, he said that we should adopt some school, some villages, and that what we are doing. Like if you see nearby our this institute, 2-3 villages, our students, they have adopted actually.
Acha.
They are going there, they are teaching, they are taking care. We are also making their room painted and their table, chair and all these things, repairing and all, so that student when they are coming, sitting, they feel it's a very that something
Experience better.
attraction
Correct.
to come. Why come?
Correct.
There is one Vidya Samiksha Kendra.
Okay.
So Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is under that. There is a Vidya Samiksha Kendra. I mean, the Vidya Samiksha means the review of what the school education is doing. And nodal center in every state. This is with every state. I am saying in every state, and nodal center is more or less in every state capital. Like here, the nodal center in Raipur. And what happened? All the school, 40-50,000 school, they are feeding data through mobile computer every day to the central place in Delhi, and from there we are fetching these data for Chhattisgarh state, and then we have developed AI based program where very easy, simple, in one room, the full big wall mounted television where you can see all the schools in Chhattisgarh, how they are doing today.
Wow.
What is the presence of a student? How much is the presence of teacher? What today midday meal served? How many students took the midday meal?
Okay.
And all these things. And if you are finding, okay, in this district, in some schools, students are not appearing, attendance is going below the average, you can immediately take care that what is the reason. Then you go the next one and you see facilities at the school.
Okay.
So toilet is there or not? Classes are this permanent roof or the temporary? Light is there or not? So all these parameters you closely look,
being monitored.
and then you see maybe probably school is not giving attraction. Are the roads are good or not? Pakka road hai ki nahi hai? All these questions you can get in a minute reply. And our students with faculty members developed this. This is the Chhattisgarh model of this Vidya Samiksha Kendra. And this is the first time any IIT developed this.
Fantastic. Digital India is really happening.
And so when you are seeing, you are reviewing, and then you will easily you will find out what is the reason. If the number of teachers are less there, obviously students may not get much interest to come. So all these, then you can contact easily with nearby institutions, NGOs, that is it possible to go there? But here I will add also in answer of the first question, online education is changing things like anything.
Absolutely.
See, in those school is far southern part of this state, in Dantewada, in Bastar area.
Yes.
It is not possible. Road distance is 8 kilometers from this place.
8 hours.
8 hours from this place. And some of the institute which are very close to that place, even they may take some more time and not able to go to schools. Right. But what our planning is that we have signed MOU with Dantewada. Okay. Dantewada district, earlier it was quite affected because of the Naxal movement. Correct. But in last few years, government did fantastic. And now the district Dantewada is coming up like anything. And we have one office there in Dantewada. Achha. And IIT Bhilai, I think 7 project staff we have deployed there, and they are doing the automation of the whole district office.
Very good.
Bringing all offline records to online, more transparency, visibility to everyone. And this the second step we have requested to the district collector that we want 1 or 2 schools initially in your villages where we can give online teaching.
Okay. Achha, you'll teach from here.
Online. Fantastic. We will teach from here. So
outstanding.
What my idea is, I will promote our students. They are in any way they are going nearby schools.
Such a lovely idea.
And
Such a lovely idea.
I will also, I am having in mind, I will promote spouse of our faculty.
Wow.
Spouse of our faculty also love to go and interact if they can. And if it is online, certainly they have to come to one of my auditorium or one of my classroom, and from there they will teach. And how they are teaching. Mother is a first teacher, father is a first teacher, and how we are teaching our kids, our children, same way we have to teach them.
Sir, ये model, once you do it, a paper must be written. This is such an outstanding. What you've done, sir, you have not realized maybe. What you've said is that one is, you're saying that one is you're adopting schools and ensuring that a high quality, IIT quality, which stands for very high quality, is available to every single school, irrespective of where they are. That's one. That's a fantastic. Second thing that you said, that I heard, that you are enabling your students to come and participate. Now, there are two benefits. One, student, when they come prepared. They will prepare for it, which means that they are themselves brushing up their own understanding knowledge.
Yeah.
Plus, they're getting that feeling of contributing to nation building.
Yes.
This is, you're making the better citizens for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And third thing that you said just now, involving the spouses of teachers and all these people, which means that you're bringing inclusivity.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing model. And this is so much scalable. Today you can do it for 2 schools, but tomorrow you can have just beaming happening in 20 schools.
Yes, yes. So this program is what we are is starting. A few things are new, like engagement of students, spouse of faculty. This idea is new, and also opening the such online in a remote villages. But it is not a new program. Many IITs started. IIT Madras is doing very well. So but this is required, and today we are able to do this because of the online education. See, what story started during the time of COVID. We took our BTech and MTech students' classes from our home.
Correct.
Using camera and just making a temporary board and writing there. So this went very well, and we understood that what is the power of online teaching. We cannot reach to each and every student. See, there I used to tell to students, see, Arjun and Eklavya,
Yes.
both were Dhurandhar the.
Correct.
Dharur Vidya.
Correct.
One got the knowledge through offline mode.
Correct.
And another online mode.
Distance.
Distance learning.
Bilkul
Distance. So, and both were
amazing.
Amazing.
It's very difficult to say who was better.
Who has a better?
Correct.
So today is online
This is
teaching.
a lovely example. I'll go to use this.
So this is the online teaching. One has to take very much precaution while giving online teaching.
Yes.
It should not be just because I have to enroll this many number of the students and then going. No, quality one has to very much ensure. If you see in IIT Bhilai, our initiative of online teaching, so far we are giving online teaching for MS program and executive MTech program. What the 6 executive MTech program. And you know that how carefully we have taken care each and every part.
Absolutely.
All the classes are interactive, online interactive classes.
Correct.
Not the broadcasting, not the just recorded lectures is going on.
Correct.
So class size, a small class size.
Correct.
More or less the numbers what we have, the offline class size is the same, the online class
Interactivity is now increasing.
Interactivity is increasing. Lot of homework.
Yes.
Lot of projects.
Yes.
So this all one has to take care. Plus, in some of the courses, if you see from very beginning, I am saying in some of the courses where you need to call your students.
Yes.
So why you make it hybrid?
Yes.
Not only the 100% online,
Absolutely.
but make you decide, means the faculty will decide 10% you have to come. Not necessary you come to IIT Bhilai.
Correct.
Let us, because now today IIT 23 and how many more than 30 is your other top institution like NITs, triple ITs.
Absolutely.
So it is not necessary that you come to here, you connect with some of the professors there and you work, we will recognize, we will observe. So one of the co-supervisor is here, your supervisor is there. So in this way, you can make your online classes with practical based,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
with
Absolutely.
practice based. So, in this way, if you are delivering online, believe me, there is not much difference between offline and online, and reachability will increase. See, today, if I am saying we are going to give the online program and the far villages in Sukma, Dantewada, Sarguja, Raigad, if these areas students are registering,
Yes.
see, it is really impossible to think few years back that they student will
Can
get the
study.
IIT level study.
Absolutely. So I think this is fantastic. The way the impact of an IIT now is not limited to those 1,000 kids.
Yes.
It's just you're improving the impact and saying that my impact can be. I mean, I'm like sun. I mean, people can take my sunshine and
Yes.
actually improve from there.
Yes.
Whatever we know here, whatever research we do, we are going to just ensure that it's being slightly democratized, going to wider audience.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And see that today, if you are having knowledge, skill, job is no problem.
Absolutely. If you have knowledge
I'm
and the
always
skills.
saying that knowledge and skill, if you have, then job is not a big problem. I'm always saying to our students, why you are worrying for placement is 60%, placement is 70%. Why you are going in this figure, placement is how much? See, this placement is what industries are visiting to your campus and taking you from here. But you are not limited to this. It is today world is open and you are top brain. You have got the top here education skill everything. So
Absolutely.
whenever you will go outside, everybody will ask you, hey, you are you interested to come? Forget about these also. You are having enough skill and you go and start your own job, your work. Lot of funding is there, lot of loan is there, startups, lot of money. You are not the job seeker, job giver. So, and very successfully, more than, if I am correct, 40 or 42 startups are going on in a very short time period of 2 years at IIT Bhilai. And the students, they are doing this Vidya Samiksha Kendra, what I said. So, here the team of students, they developed this program under the supervision of 2-3 faculty members. That's all. And now you think, tomorrow, and they are the fourth year students, that tomorrow these students will go out. See, they are, I don't think they will go for any job. They will start their own startup.
You're not only creating job seekers but also job creators.
Creators.
Thank you so much, sir. I mean, without me asking, I got so much from you. My last question to you
Yes.
is: if you have to advise the students of tomorrow, what they should focus on, how they should think about their career, how they should think about impact, what is your message to them?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. This is very good question. Why I'm worrying little bit in a present scenario of, see, the time is here today. We should think at least 20, 30 years ahead. And what our Honorable Prime Minister said, Viksit Bharat 2047, 2047. Net zero by 2070. And I'm saying, if Honorable Prime Minister has said, certainly we will achieve under his dynamic leadership much before that. But for that, we have to prepare ourselves. Students are, engineering students, I'm saying, more fascinated towards the one or two subject areas. And you know that computer, AI, data science, this is the more very important. It is very, very important. Based on this, applications should come out. Because AI, data science, machine learning, it is all are applicable in agriculture, in health, in financial sector, in management, in city management, in smart city development, in water resource. If you see, everywhere it is there. So today we have to think, if the 20, 30 years ahead, in my opinion, focus should be agri-tech.
Okay.
One, agriculture.
Okay.
Farmers are strong, villages are strong, countries are strong. Once the farmers and villages will come as a strong way,
Yeah.
then country automatically become the Viksit Bharat. Second thing, health tech. Health challenges. We have seen COVID like pandemic. Health challenges, health tech is the second one. Third is fintech, finance technology, fintech.
Absolutely.
And this all how one can achieve is the through edutech. education technology, edutech. So focusing in these three major areas is important. And when I am saying agri-tech, I am including environment and other things there.
Correct.
Means samagrata,
Everything with
holistic way,
nature.
if you see nature.
Correct.
So that is first. So lot of areas are there. One has to focus. Not only students should focus the few branches. See, branches are okay, but today NEP is giving you opportunity to take major and minor,
Absolutely.
to take 2 degrees, to take 2 majors even. So why running to only one direction? See, if the mechanical engineer is not there, then who will do all these machinery and engineering?
Absolutely.
Who will do?
Absolutely.
So mechanical engineer with AI, with
Absolutely.
machine, with robotics,
बिल्कुल सही.
mechatronics,
बिल्कुल
EV. See, all will come.
Every industry today is a technology industry
Technology.
today, sir. Every, yes, absolutely right.
We need materials.
Yes.
If there is no modern material, no advanced materials, no functional materials, then what we will do? We are nothing without the materials. So who will do the materials? A materials scientist, a materials engineer, a metallurgist, a ceramic. So every area is
civil
important.
engineers, infrastructure,
Civil engineers,
construction
infrastructure.
इतना बढ़ रहा है इंडिया में.
Without construction, we can't do. So every area, but remember, we have to see major and minor.
Yes.
We have to go for 2 degrees.
Yes.
Offline degrees, and if possible, you register yourself in online degree.
Yes.
Take the one program offline, and students, they are brilliant. They can do this. So online, offline, both the. So nowadays, I am seeing. So students are saying, "Sir, I am taking this degree in offline mode." I said, "It's okay. It's permitted." You just see NEP 2020 is giving you these opportunities. Interdisciplinary. This is the word interdisciplinary, not the one disciplinary, the only one area, one branch,
yes.
single direction. No, many 2, 3 at least you have to add to solve the today's problem. It's a very complicated.
It gives
problem.
you a cross-dimensional understanding of the problem.
See,
yes.
I'm giving whenever I'm meeting to students, I'm telling. See, COVID is a recent example where we all remember what happened during that 2 years.
Correct.
Very, very pathetic, very horrible. But if you see what branches came forward, biology,
yes,
no doubt, medical sciences, no doubt,
correct,
computer and AI data based analysis, prediction,
yes,
no doubt, lot of mechanical engineers, ventilator, machines,
yes, yeah,
polymer engineers, all the PP kits and all the safety
my goodness,
shields
yes, yes,
were the polymers.
correct,
Polymer engineers, they also came forward. Mental health,
yes,
humanities, psychology.
my
So all branches came together. And also other branches like agriculture, how to do this agriculture in such an environment when you are not getting much support from manpower.
yeah,
Then more instrument based. So agri-tech is very important, where the technology in agriculture, now it is not only the man muscles based,
correct,
but the machine based,
yes,
also.
yeah,
And small equipment. So here I would like to add, maybe out of context after this question, but just the achievement of IIT Bhilai. So with Agriculture University here in Raipur, IIT Bhilai faculty and students, they develop app, and this app is wonderful app. And this app is for the Krishaks.
Achha.
Crop doctor. Name is crop doctor. You can Google the crop doctor. More than 6 lakhs farmers of Chhattisgarh are registered on this app. They are using this app.
What does that do?
Yes, it is the crop doctor, but not limited to crop doctor only. Initially, we started this app to know the health of your crop.
Achha.
So what the farmers were doing, they are taking the photo like this
Of their crop,
and they are getting the information about the health of the crop.
My
It
goodness.
needs fertilizer, it needs water, or it needs this and that.
and it works in languages.
Languages, Chhattisgarh language. So, but
Kya baat.
later on we add fintech there also.
Achha.
What we did, if today I am having my tractor free, I don't have any work with my tractor.
आपने बता दिया ट्रैक्टर खाली है मेरा.
मैंने बता दिया ट्रैक्टर खाली है,
दूसरा
आपको चाहिए,
क्या बात है.
आपने ले लिया उसको. तो सो अभी ये भी उसमें ऐड
पूरे
किया.
चीज को उबराइजेशन कर दिया.
उबराइजेशन कर दिया.
बहुत
तो
अच्छा.
ये भी उसमें डाला. तो ये काफी लोगों ने पसंद किया इसको. अच्छा,
तो ये तो अपने में एक बिजनेस है.
अपने में बिजनेस है कि तो अभी इन चीजों, ये है टेक. तो टेक की संभावना हर जगह है.
करेक्ट.
सो इन नॉलेज के साथ अपनी आप की जो भी फील्ड है, वट एवर द फील्ड यू आर स्टडिंग, हाँ एक चीज और इंपॉर्टेंट बात मैं बताना भूल रहा था, एजुकेशन इन योर लैंग्वेज। आप अपनी भाषा में उसको सीखिए, भाषा का भेद नहीं आना चाहिए, उसका कोई लिमिट नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं हिंदी भाषी हूं, मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा समझ में आता है जब कोई कठिन बात मुझे हिंदी में समझाता है।
करेक्ट है।
कोई कठिनाई की बात आती है तो मैं तुरंत हिंदी बोलने लगता हूं और
Correct.
हिंदी में समझता हूँ, अच्छा ये हुआ कैसे हुआ।
Yeah.
क्यों? क्योंकि ऑब्वियस है,
My
यहां
brain
पर
is
ब्रेन जो है
trained.
वो ट्रेंड है हिंदी में समझने
करेक्ट,
के लिए इतनी सी उम्र से।
बिल्कुल।
ऐसे ही सभी भाषी, आप चाहे तेलुगु हो, तमिल हो, कन्नड़ हो, उड़िया हो, कोई भी भाषी हो, आप अपनी भाषा में अगर विज्ञान को, अपनी पढ़ाई को, इंजीनियरिंग को समझेंगे तो अच्छे से समझ आएगी, वहां कोई हिचक नहीं होनी चाहिए। और इसके लिए एनईपी 2020 में अच्छे से कहा गया है, एजुकेशन इन योर लैंग्वेज।
बिल्कुल
और
सही।
टीचर्स कोशिश भी अभी कर रहे हैं, आपने सुना भी होगा कुछ एक आईआईटीज ने अभी हिंदी में पहला साल पढ़ाना शुरू किया। कुछ बच्चों ने डर से हमने पूछा कि सर ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम हिंदी में अपनी भाषा में पढ़ेंगे तो हमें जॉब नहीं मिलेगी। हमने कहा नो, जॉब आपको भाषा से नहीं मिलती है, जॉब आपको आपकी इंजीनियर, आपकी कला से मिलती है, आपकी आर्ट से मिलती है। एंड आई एडेड, आफ्टर ए सर्टेन लेवल, science and engineering is becoming art. It's no more the subject. So I am a very good engineer means I am a very good artist. It is like this. क्योंकि एक समय के बाद वो शिक्षा, वो जो भी आप ले रहे हो, वो आपको जो मिलती है फिर वो आर्ट हो जाती है, एंड यू आर आर्टिस्ट।
यस।
एंड देन आपके हुनर की कीमत है।
क्या बात है, अमेजिंग।